Alright guys, springtime in the park. We have Madison's boyfriend Mike. He is new to the channel. Yeah, Jimimum today. He is a little bit scared of heights, so we are going to get him on every high possible thing we can today.
Except maybe skydiving.
And fingers crossed he does not come back. Because that's what dads do. I think we're going to jump on the Comet first thing, and we won't torture him too much. I'm just kidding, obviously. I'm excited. Springtime, beautiful day.
Yes.
It's supposed to hit 60 degrees. So it was poor Mike's first time on the Comet. How'd he do, Madison? Not good? What'd you think, babe?
It was good. We were in the middle, so you don't really get the full effect of the bunny hops.
Yeah.
Which is probably good for Mike.
It's nice sitting in the front because you can see the track, but it's the fun is sitting in the back because you get the...
you get the air.
Yeah. Air time. Can we force him on the super duper looper, or is that too mean? Alright. He can ride that.
Yeah.
Alright, here we go. So to make up for all the heights, Mike is now torturing me by not letting me drive. These two are gross. They don't know nothing about me yet.
Good texting on the turnpike.
Yeah. did all right. He didn't kill us.
Yeah.
That's the only thing he's done right so far today.
Are we gonna go for the kissing tower or no?
I think it's closed. Yeah. I don't know. What do you want to do now?
I'm gonna go to the back of the park. I kind of want to see the slides, the new slides.
Yeah, we'll go check out some construction. Alright guys, if you look through the trees back there, you can see the new water roller coaster coming this year. The boardwalk doesn't open until Memorial Day, but we're looking forward to it. It's like a magnetic water slide, so the raft has magnets in the bottom, so it magnetically pushes you up the hills. I don't know. They're calling it their 13th roller coaster, but I mean, I don't know if we'll call it that, but I still think it's going to be awesome. Alright, so we just snuck Mike on laugh track without telling him it was a roller coaster. I feel kind of bad about it, but not really. He's alright.
Scary.
We're gonna get him on what's this? Lightning racing. Yeah. Alright, so it's gonna be Emily and Justin versus Madison and Mike. Excuse me, Michael. Leave a comment down below who you think wins. I bet we will, because we're heavier. Alright, they totally beat us, but we're going to deny it when they come out.
It was like that much.
Huh?
It was like that much. It was really close.
Literally the closest we've ever been.
The guy in front of us said the key to winning is to like make yourself smaller, like ducking.
Yeah, like don't put your hands up. Obviously, less resistance.
That's no fun.
No. Mike looked like he was hurting on those hills.
Poor guy.
It's kind of neat.
Like, I don't ever want to go to
I know, it's kind of neat being in another car. You can get like a, you know, a cool perspective of the other people. What? We won! How was that?
Fun.
Yeah.
I learned to blink.
Oh, yeah. Great Bear does that to me. You're going so fast. Like, I'm not crying, it's just...
I don't cry.
I think that is going to wrap up our springtime in the park video. What do we call it? Weekend? I don't know. We kind of have a surprise though. We managed to snag a reservation at the Hershey Hotel for tonight. So,
which is hard to do.
Yeah, so we're going to say goodbye to Mike though, because we don't like him.
Brother.
Hopefully we didn't torture him too much. But on that note, yeah.
Oh yeah. Woo.